In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make like a, well, truth be told, I watched the Brady Bunch as a little girl. They were reruns. I wasn't old enough to be born in Brady Bunch time, but if there's all these videos that are playing and they're all looking at each other, looking back and forth at each other. But how do I play all of those videos at the same time? So it's divided into 9 areas. This one in the middle is the ninth as well. We're going to do just divide it into quads, like into 4 different videos instead of 9, but the idea is still there. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new Do I need to start a new? Let's import some videos first. I'm just going to use some media samples. I'll use this one. Let's use this one, and this one. So I'm importing 4 videos. If you need 9, of course, we want 9. And we're just going to do 4s. And I want them to be on their own layer. And I need to add a track. So I'm going to right click over here, hit add a track, and drag that to the last one. I don't need audio, but I'm not going to worry about audio either at this moment. So the other thing I want to do is go ahead and edit them down so they're all the same length. So the shortest one looks to be the second layer, so they're all going to be the same length as that second layer. So I'm going to go use my razor tool, drag my playhead to the end of that video, and then go ahead and slice these videos and then get rid of the ends. I don't need these anymore. They're all the same length now. All right, so next phase. So I have them all broken up, but now I need to start rescaling them and moving them into position. So I'm going to go ahead to Effect Controls at the top and select my bottom video. I'm going to start with that one. So I'm going to hide the other videos on top. So the one that's showing is the one on the bottom because that's the one where the eyeball is standing. And I'm going to go ahead and rescale this. This says it's 100%. I'm going to change that to 50%. So it's 50%. And then I'm going to use my position to kind of move it to the left. And then I'm going to move it to the top. And then I'm going to leave that one there for size reference and go to my second video. The second video is covering over the first one. So I'm going to go to that one and resize it. If yours doesn't resize and it looks really teeny tiny or something, you might need to change the scale till it matches the size of this one. But now I want this one to go to the other side. And I need to change so they line up there at the bottom and the top. So that's looking pretty good. And I want to keep going. So I'm going to go to the third one and click on this video here. This is working out way too nicely. It doesn't always work out this way. I think it's because I used the imported videos, but I'm going to position this so it's even with that video. And then the fourth video, unhide it, change the scale to 50% of its original size. And that way, once I get them into place, I can hit play and I have all of these videos playing at the same time. And that's the idea that I want you to recreate with different people in our class looking at each other at from different places in this room. So kind of a Brady Bunch type assignment to recreate.